Hello and welcome to my channel. This is single mother Filipina. Okay, today I am going to make a beef liver. So everything is ready. So this is a beef liver. Right there, guys. So what I did is this is a beef liver. So I put it in this Pyrex. And then I put the Creole. Let me show you. Creole seasoning. This one, guys. Creole seasoning. And then I put a little bit of that mesquite flavor. Just a little bit, just to have a kick. So what I did is I sprinkle it on the beef liver. And then I put it in the oven for about 30 minutes. So you put it in the oven for 30 minutes. And then you flip it every 15 minutes. So all in all is 30 minutes. So then I chop it. I kind of slice it like that. And then I'm going to, this is an oil, olive oil. And so I turn on the fire. So the fire is on. So then I have I have an onion ready over here, as you can see. And I am going to make this, mix it with the onion, which is very simple. It only like, let's say 35 minutes to make beef liver. So guys, this is what it is. Let's put this guy over here. How you make your beef liver. Very tasty. It's simple. You don't have to spend so much money in it. It's just a very simple dish. The beef liver is what, like $3? Less than $3 one pack. It's very simple. And you don't have to do a whole lot with it. So you just basically just saute the onion a little bit in the olive oil. You know, just enough to the onion to have a little coated oil, olive oil. You don't have to make it so soft if you don't like. If you want a little bit crunchy, then you can keep it like that. And then you put this guy over here, mix it in. Mix it in. Here you go. And then you can eat it with either mashed potato or baked potatoes, whichever you prefer to eat with this. But to me, because I'm a Filipina, you know, all Filipino out there knows that they always eat with rice. So here it is, guys. This is really looking good. Yummy. Here it is. So yummy. It's so good, and it looks like a beef stick. You know, in the Philippines we have a dish called beef stick, and that's what it looks like. This is what beef stick look like. It's so yummy. So here it is. Less than 30 minutes preparing food of beef liver, and it tastes so good. Here it is, guys. It really tastes so really good. So now, hello guys. Did you see what I'm cooking? It tastes so good. And now we can put this guy in a really nice dish to make it look like really interesting. This, guys, stay put. Here.
Hi.
That's my son.
Hi. Wait, first I want to know about this.
Here's, guys.
This.
Can you see? I mean, look at this, guys. So beautiful. So beautiful.
That's our car.
Beautiful. Look, how beautiful that is. Yum. That's beef liver, you guys. It's so good. Right.